Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistant's new A350 operator. Swiss unveils new widebody with special livery. Swiss International Airlines has officially introduced its first Airbus A350, marking a significant milestone in the airline's fleet modernization strategy. The carrier, a subsidiary of the Lufthansa Group, has chosen the A350-900 to replace its aging long-haul aircraft, enhancing fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. To celebrate this new chapter, Swiss unveiled a special livery for its inaugural A350, highlighting the airline's Swiss heritage and commitment to sustainability. In this article, we explore the significance of this new aircraft, its design, livery, and operational impact on Swiss. The Swiss A350 fleet plan. Swiss placed an order for the Airbus A350-900 as part of its long-term strategy to replace older widebody aircraft, particularly the Airbus A340-300. The airline has committed to acquiring 5 A350s, with deliveries expected to continue over the next few years. The A350's modern design, featuring advanced aerodynamics and fuel-efficient Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, makes it an ideal choice for SWIS's long-haul network. Special livery. To mark the occasion. To commemorate the arrival of its first A350, Swiss has introduced a unique special livery. The design incorporates Swiss cultural elements, including national symbols and patterns inspired by traditional Swiss craftsmanship. The tail remains adorned with the iconic red and white Swiss flag, while the fuselage features artistic elements representing the airline's heritage. This special livery not only celebrates SWIS's fleet expansion but also reinforces its national identity on a global scale. Features and cabin configuration. The Swiss A350 boasts a cutting-edge cabin design, enhancing passenger comfort and operational efficiency. The aircraft is expected to feature 3-class configuration: business, premium economy, and economy. State-of-the-art business class, fully flat seats with direct aisle access. Premium economy enhancements, more legroom and enhanced in-flight services. Modern economy class, ergonomically designed seats for maximum comfort. Advanced in-flight entertainment, high-resolution screens with a broad selection of content. Wi-Fi connectivity, high-speed internet access throughout the aircraft. These features align with SWIS's premium brand positioning and ensure a superior travel experience for passengers. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. One of the biggest advantages of the Airbus A350 is its sustainability credentials. The aircraft is approximately 25% more fuel efficient than older generation widebodies, such as the A340. It also produces significantly lower carbon dioxide emissions and noise levels. Swiss has been actively working to reduce its environmental impact, and the A350 aligns with the airline's sustainability goals, helping it move toward a greener future. Initial routes and deployment. Swiss plans to deploy its A350s on high-demand long-haul routes, particularly to North America and Asia. The airline has not yet confirmed specific routes, but major destinations like New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, and Hong Kong are strong possibilities. The aircraft's extended range and efficiency make it a perfect fit for these intercontinental services. Competitive advantage for Swiss. By introducing the A350, Swiss gains a competitive edge in the long-haul market. The aircraft's superior economics allow for cost savings, which can translate into better pricing and improved profitability. Additionally, the enhanced passenger experience positions Swiss favorably against other European and global carriers that operate similar routes. Comparison with previous widebodies. The A350 replaces the aging Airbus A340-300, which has been a mainstay in the Swiss fleet for years. Compared to the A340, the A350 offers greater fuel efficiency, 25% lower fuel burn, reduced carbon emissions, more environmentally friendly operation, quieter cabin, less noise for both passengers and airport communities, enhanced passenger comfort, larger windows, improved cabin pressure, and modern seating options. These upgrades ensure that Swiss remains competitive in the evolving aviation landscape. Impact on the Lufthansa Group. As part of the Lufthansa Group, Swiss benefits from synergies with other group airlines that operate the A350, such as Lufthansa itself. This allows for streamlined maintenance, shared pilot training, and optimized fleet utilization. The introduction of the A350 also strengthens SWIS's role within the group, providing better connectivity through key hubs in Zurich and beyond. Passenger expectations and market response. The market has responded positively to SWIS's A350 announcement. Passengers appreciate the airline's commitment to modernizing its fleet, and the new aircraft's improved efficiency and comfort are expected to enhance the travel experience. Additionally, the special livery has generated excitement among aviation enthusiasts, further boosting the brand's image. The arrival of the Airbus A350 marks a new era for Swiss, reinforcing its commitment to sustainability, efficiency, and passenger experience. The special livery adds a touch of national pride, making the aircraft a flying ambassador for Switzerland. As Swiss integrates the A350 into its operations, passengers can look forward to a more comfortable and eco-friendly way to travel, solidifying the airline's reputation as a premier long-haul carrier. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.